In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code in Adobe Express. QR codes are a versatile tool that can connect offline materials, like flyers or posters, to online resources or websites. This can be incredibly useful for businesses looking to engage their audience. Let's dive right in and learn how you can seamlessly incorporate this feature into your design projects. First, let's open Adobe Express and navigate to the design you want to work on. This could be anything from a flyer, a poster, or even a business card, whatever your project needs. Once you're in your design, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This is your editor panel, a handy toolbox where you can search for and apply different elements to your design. Here, we'll need to click on the Search option. Type QR code in the search bar, and you'll see an option to generate a QR code. Go ahead and select that. You'll then be prompted to enter the URL you intend for the QR code to point to. This could be your website, an event page, or any online destination relevant to your design's purpose. Simply enter or paste the desired URL, and Adobe Express will start crafting your unique QR code. Now comes the fun part: customizing your QR code. Adobe Express offers a variety of styles for QR codes. You can choose between options such as dots, marker border, and more. This customization helps you align the QR code's aesthetic with the overall design theme of your project. But don't stop there. Color is another important aspect to consider. Pick a color that complements your design while ensuring enough contrast so that the QR code remains easily scannable. Another decision to make is the file format in which you'd like your QR code. Adobe Express provides options like PNG, JPG, or SVG. Think about where you'll be using the design. For online use, a PNG is usually a safe bet, but if it's going to print, you might want higher resolution, like an SVG. Next, click on Insert QR Code to place it onto your canvas. This action embeds the code directly into your design. Once it appears, you can adjust the size by dragging the corner handles. This flexibility allows you to place the QR code precisely where you envision it, ensuring it fits seamlessly with the other elements of your design. Finally, after positioning and resizing everything to your satisfaction, it's time to download or export your final design with the QR code embedded. Adobe Express makes it easy to save your work, be it for digital distribution or print purposes. And that wraps up our tutorial on adding a QR code in Adobe Express. Whether you're looking to guide an audience directly to your website, share additional materials, or simply provide an interactive experience, QR codes are an invaluable asset to include in your digital design toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!